AJ versus Q-Box. Ay, no! Si Idol nakakuha ng bola. Sa number 20. Pasa kape. Pumatakay. Yes! Number 8. Unang pulos. Para kay number 8. Patay. Mateo. Wala. Aiden shoots. Yes!
Kinain mo yung nilagay kong alam doon.
Itlog?
Oh. Akin, ako na lang kakain nun. Bahala.
Basket count by number 7. Number 1, oh! Number 1,
Bata pa ng referee, no? Ha? Ay, tama tumama.
50 seconds. Receiver. Ball number 28. First to receive that count. Get the shoots.
Taas.
Marunong siya mo.
Rebound by number 20. 7.6 seconds. In favor of Chip. Battle of the Kapalengke. Oh! Good.
Dito payag.
Let the shoot.
Dito payag.
Alright, number 20 versus number 20.
Kasi na yan sa ano, dito sa court.
Get the shoots. One up. Whoa, oh, play safe ball.
Ay, good. Sinapa ko na.
7-2 in favor of
Channel 5 yan, pare.
Two brothers.
Oh, huwag mo yung sound selection ba? Tinatapon ko.
Rebound by number 1.
Saan mo makapanood dyan sa dyan? Hindi ko alam eh. Entrance na eh.
Oh. 14 seconds. 14 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Oh! The score now is 7-4 in favor of Chile. Malaysian number 2, Julius. Waiting na po ang second team. Waiting na. 7-5. Time to shoot. Oh, the ball.
Kuya, nakalive siya.
Ano yan? Pati yung kaninang game nakabidyo din. Saan din si Send yan?
Kay Kuya Prince to eh. Hindi ko alam kung
Score now
post niya yata.
7 in favor of Chile.
Pwedeng kunin yung video.
Mamaya po. Mamaya.
Sige, sige.
Wala si NPPP. Ako. 15 to shoot. Rebound number 4. 15 shoots. Yan pa, tumatangin. Oh, hindi. Oh, 40 minutes and 44 seconds in the first quarter. Second to shoot. Oh. Probably violation. Good job. Victory. Pilyawi. Ano pa? Kumita ng tres. Wala. Ibang pa yung 21. Lagi sa natin. Oh, there's the foul. Foul number 21. First personal foul. First team, second team foul. Number 6, jersey number 6. It's 7 in favor of PlayStation. Oh. It's ready to shoot. Oh, nababas. Rebound by Maviles. 46 seconds in the first quarter. 15 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Rebound by Maviles. Oh. Foul number 6. Number 6. Number 6, first personal foul. Second team foul. 15 to shoot. Number 18. First personal foul. 13 foul. Basket one by Maviles. 11-7. Favor of PlayStation. Match na ito. Wala mga superstar. Oh! Lumatosik number 77. 15 seconds to shoot.
40 seconds shot clock.
10 seconds. With the lead. Oh, wala. Ano pa? Oh! Binaka. 3 seconds. Wala ni Pablo itong Pilipinas. Pidali! Buwan na basket by William. 13-9.
Pero ang place.
2 minutes. 15 seconds. Rose. Last 2 minutes. Oh, what a basket! By Jim Rose. Lucy number 4. 1 minute and 14 seconds. 10 to shoot. Oh, nakakatawa na bola. Oh, wala. Nice. Oh. Number 6. 15 seconds. With the lead. It is second to shoot. Nice pass. Oh! That's nice. From the floor. 15-13.
45 seconds. Foul number 12. Number 12 is also a foul. Basketball. Last 22 seconds.
Napeke mo rin ako gago.
Wow, by Rodriguez.
10 seconds. 5 seconds. 4.
And on the first quarter, in the score of 18.
May kachat. May kachat siya rin.
Ini tayo, bakit champion? Ang third. This idol.
Kinuha, alam ko ulit.
Into second shoots. Wala. Oh! There's a foul. Foul number 1. First personal foul. First, second, third. First team foul. The second team. Good, good.
Mga nanalo yan.
Grabe yun, pag-interest pa. 9 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 11, Tumila. Wala, rebound by number 22. Whoa! 10 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds.
number 1. Second personal foul, number 1. Second kick foul.
Magaling mag-pass.
Yung dalawang sasakyan po kayo ano? Yung dalawang sasakyan po. Dalawang sasakyan po kayo. Sino may sakyan dyan? Baba mo na kayo. Okay, okay. Number 20. Bigyan ng mga kotse yan. Bigyan na kayo. Bigyan ng mga kotse. Dalawang puti. 15 to shoot. Rebound by number 7. Number 3, number 11.
Yan.
3 point. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds shot clock.
Tito.
Number 1, jersey number 1. Grabe. Never shoot. Wala ba rin? Number 1, jersey number 1. 27. Wala pa rin, pinaanak ko. Rebound by Vincent. Number 7. Timeout! Chilbros. The score now is 29-15 in favor of... Placing ball. Nabi, lumalobo ang kalaban. 29-15 in favor of Placing. Vertical for 3! Lifting.
Traveling.
Vertical for 3! 2 points na pala. 2 points out, please. Big hit.
Bading yung boses ng bading. No?
Double ball. For 3 points.
Hindi sila yung panay tira ng tres eh.
37-15 in favor of Placing. Number 22. 39-15. 5 minutes and 76 seconds. Ready na ba yun na? 5:35 ready. Number 11. For number 11, Silver.
Buti naabutan yung
39-17. 17. Foul number 3. First personal foul. First pick down. Magbabayad kayo sa TV, ha? Dapat na. Mga bro, nakasa na yun. Rebound. 4 minutes and 21 seconds. Oh, awesome. Last 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 50 seconds. Tapos. Wala ba rin?
tambak agad ah.
It did the shoots. Number 6 na sa line. Wala ang tinawag sa Pilis. Oh, nagkagawin na. Foul. Foul number 4. First and second shot. First personal foul number 4. Grabe yun. Pwede ba? Ano ba?
May mayabang kanina eh. Tinechnical siya. Pero nakalaro pa rin siya. Tinechnical lang siya kasi mayabang eh. Nakashoot siya eh. Tapos ginanyan niya. Tinechnical siya.
Hindi yun. Bata.
Bakit bata ba yan?
Ayun nga, bata.
Ano bata?
Batang pwede.
15 seconds to shoot. Oh, okay. Foul number 14. Second, big foul. The time now is 2 minutes and 21 seconds. In favor of Israel.
Dalawa na lang tambak na sila ng 20.
Oh! Amigas. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You will.
20 na.
Amigas. 2 minutes. 15 to shoot. Oh, lumabas. Lumabas by 2 minutes. Amigas, atake. Oh, lumabas. Grabe si Coach. Hindi pagsabay. Wala ba rin? Wow. Foul number 14. Second person of foul number 14. One minute and 32 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds. Oh, this is down. Foul number 6 now. Second, that's number 1. 10 seconds. Oh, nice pass by Pilipinas. Wala, rebound by number 6. Basket for number 6. 43 seconds, right time. 4-3 balls, number 4. 30 seconds. Ramirez, samantalay. Basket by Ramirez. 26 seconds. Nice pass. Number 18 seconds. 15 seconds. 10. 8. 5. 2. That's the end of the first round. Let's hook up the third quarter. They were all racing. Ten to shoot. Oh, papalos dito. Tumiwan na naman si Bernardo. Wala. Outside. Hugo. Yes, swing. Van de Graaff versus Oracle. Get ready. Ready na ba tayo? 10 seconds shoot. Wala. Rebound na number 22. Second to shoot. Oh,
Ayun, pinasa.
oh, there's the foul. Foul number 16.
Pinisan.
First personal foul. First game foul.
Tulog.
Go back. In the 41 seconds, in favor of Racing. Piano, to be on the place. 4-3!
Sabi niya, 42 points daw. 43, 2 points, 3 points.
Natalo sa rebound. Oh, there's the foul. Foul number 3. First personal foul. Second team foul. Okay na, pwede na third quarter. Pwede na. Tapos tayo. Pwede na tayo sa bawal.
Init mo ka. Mahal kanina. Di mo talaga mararamdaman yan. Ako nga minsan, parang naiinitan ako pero pinahawak ko kay Lamama, hindi naman.
Uy, mababas. Ano kakahabol ko? Heroes, oh, rebound na number 1. Mabibilis to, mga bata na to. Dito. Number 4, that's the by number 4. Tumidikit. 49-32 in favor of Racing. 7 minutes and 49 seconds. 10 shoots. Wala. Bigyan mo namin. Assault. Grabe. 51-32.
Nice trade.
Wala. Hindi, pinasa. Hindi, wait. 10 seconds. 5. Wala.
Walang shooting. Yung maingay. Walang shooting.
Wala. Ubi. Franco.
Diba? Bawal mong lisod.
Two balls. Idol, Bumila, MVP, wala. Rebound by number 1. Oh, steal by number 7. Excited mo namin. Oh, sige na. Basketball number 7.
Ganon si Estomera eh, ganon. Hihinto muna, tapos ano, titingin kung may bawal ba sa kanya.
6 minutes.
Pinakasa na naman, no?
And MVP.
Magaling yun.
55-32 in favor of Racing. 6 minutes. Number 1 naman natin. Oh, wala. Oh. Basketball number 1. Second shoot. Oh, basketball number 22. 7-34. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Fernando. BP, Matara. Basketball and MVP. 59-34. Favor of number 4. Jersey number 4. 5 minutes.
23.
Oh, 43 points. 41. 62-36 of Racing. Number 4. Number 2. Oh, wala pa rin. Napapagod din yung mga dito. Last 7. Oh. Oh, that's it.
Wala yun.
Bensa.
Ay, tapos na kayo.
Hindi naman sakit yan.
Azar.
Matay yung ganyan sa kamay.
Okay ka.
Sakit ng gawin.
50 seconds to shoot. Filipinas.
Online na mga yan.
Oh, that's the foul.
Lalaki na ng mga yan.
Foul number 7. Luka Doncic. First personal foul. 13 foul. 1 minute. Basket. Fifteen seconds. 10 seconds over. Ramirez. Ramirez score. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Luka Doncic. Judinas. 3 minutes. Wala ka pa hiwan. Yung minalo ng mga bata ito, mapod. Number 4. Wala ka. Basket for number 3. Yeah.
Nilalagay na ang buli. Basket na dapat.
42. Oh!
Basket. Binasket.
Number 4. 68-44.
Pagit sumablay pa.
Number 4. Oh, this is for number 3. Second personal foul. Two minutes. Guys, PPP. Coach and training. Basketball by PPP. It's going out of 50 seconds shoots. Wala, rebound by Ramirez. 1 minute and 41 seconds. Ramirez, matay. Oh! Probably the elevation. Probably the back. Fifteen seconds shoots. Wala. Kamuha, buka namin. Wala. Rebound by Ramirez. Again, kamuha.
Muntik na isang tapos na. Number 11, naman namin basket for number 11. 2 points. 55 seconds. Outside. Substitution. 44 seconds. 40 seconds.
Yun yung nag-MVP. Yung sinaban. Ano? Yung lalaki. Yun yung naging MVP ng nakarang Lunes.
10 seconds to shoot.
Sinaban.
5.
MVP siya.
Pinalitan. Ay, teka.
Ayun, nakapaglaro na yan. Nakasando.
15 seconds. Seconds. 5. Moment is now. Pumunta namin Jerry sa may ayaw. Number 11, lumatang inside. Passing to number 3. Number 11, basket. Oh, hindi na natin Cupidas. Cupidas, matangin. Kalapag. Fernando, tumira ng guys.
3 points.
Basket for good. For three. Fernando. 17-15. Grabe yun. Ibon by Ramirez.
Tapos standing nung ano, yung mataba, yung malaking chan. Di ba? Halos
Oh.
3 points yan. Three points.
Foul number 1. Foul number 2. Third personal foul number 3. Third team. First team foul. Basketball by Ramirez. Basketball number 11. 79. Cupidas. Wala. Kailangan ito eh. Oh, there's a foul. Foul number 3. Third personal foul. Yeah. Third personal foul by Ethan. Second team foul by the fourth quarter. Sige, kaya niya, sagot niya mga Pilipino. Sagot niya, 18:55. Number 4. Oh, outside.
Magana?
17 to shoot.
20. Ay, oo.
17 seconds shot.
Ito ba yan?
Number 11, inside, hold on. Ramirez. Magandang laban ko yung next game. Pareho mo na po ang pagkakala. Sino kaya ang makakauna? 6 minutes and 45 seconds in favor of Lacey. Fernando. Wala. Number 11. Foul number 4. Ada pa ang first personal foul. First foul. Basket 1, number 4. Second shoots in. Fernando. Rebound. Number 1. Wala pa rin. Get the shoots. Wala pa rin. Wala shoots. Oh, man. 9 minutes and 15 seconds. 12 shoots. 10 shoots. Few minutes for 3. 1. Kill goals. 5 minutes for 3. Fernando.
Hindi mo siya na maging MVP.
Yung ano, yung nakapink.
Favorite place eh?
Get the shoot. Foul number 6. Alabang. Oh, nakakawin. Lubunosi. Di ka manalo pa. Number 4. Wala. Rebound by number 6. 3 minutes and 47 seconds. In favor of Brazil. Idol. Oh, what? Oh, what? Wala shot by MVP. 3 minutes and 3 seconds.
Parang take to na ace, no?
Luka Doncic, number 77.
Wala pa nalo.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Number 6. Oh, lumabas na rin. It is 56 seconds.
Sabay.
Last Steelers, Retrova, Mangasar, Jollibee, McDonald's. That is 2 seconds. BB Agoy. Grabe yun. Let's get this good.
Basket.
Ayun.
Tambak. Tambak. 30 lumang.
Ako sakto. Contact daw dito. Basket time. One minute and 48 seconds. SK ready. Orlando versus Mountain Club. Ready na po tayo. 15 seconds to shoot. Baligyan na ba tayo? Number 1. Basket by number 1.
Bibigyan namin yan.
50 seconds. 40 seconds.
Highlight.
Kailangan.